Today, we're talking about one of China's most significant advances in unmanned combat aviation. On December 15, 2025, Chinese media outlet Global Times confirmed that China's CH-7 stealth combat drone successfully completed its maiden flight at an airfield in northwest China. This first flight was not about showing off combat capability. Instead, it focused on verifying basic airworthiness, flight control systems, and fully autonomous takeoff and landing. That is especially important because the CH-7 uses a tailless flying wing design, a configuration that makes stability and directional control far more challenging than on conventional aircraft. According to reports, the test flight validated autonomous taxiing, automated takeoff and landing, basic attitude control, and trajectory tracking. Chinese sources emphasized that this phase was meant to confirm the integrity of the aerodynamic design, flight control laws, and propulsion integration, rather than demonstrate mission performance. The CH-7, also known as Kaihang 7 or Rainbow 7, first appeared publicly at the Zhuhai Air Show in 2018 as a full-scale mock-up. At that time, it was presented as a large stealth UCAV resembling the US X-47B, designed to balance altitude, endurance, and internal payload capacity. Early projections suggested a first flight around 2019, but the program progressed more slowly with years of design refinement rather than visible flight activity. In 2022, a revised CH-7 model was unveiled, showing sharper canted wingtips, redesigned wing flops, and a longer dorsal engine nacelle, all pointing to continued aerodynamic and stability optimization. At Airshow China 2024, the manufacturer CASC displayed what appeared to be a genuine flight-ready airframe instead of a mock-up. By 2025, images and footage showed the aircraft on a runway and then in the air, confirming the start of flight testing. From a design perspective, the CH-7 is a jet-powered, high-altitude, long-endurance stealth flying wing. It features a dorsal air intake feeding a single jet engine and an exhaust shaped to reduce radar and infrared signatures. Prototype images reveal careful stealth shaping, sealed panels, internal bay outlines, and extensive test instrumentation, including pitot probes and satellite communication antennas. According to Chinese media, the CH-7's primary mission will be intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance within a network-centric combat system. It is expected to act as a forward sensor and data relay, detecting and tracking ground and maritime targets and transmitting real-time information to platforms like the J-20 stealth fighter, J-16 multi-role aircraft, H-6K bombers, and missile forces. Some descriptions also suggest it could support mid-course or terminal guidance for long-range weapons. Performance figures vary, but estimates place the wingspan between roughly 22 and 27 meters, maximum takeoff weight between 10 and 13 tons, endurance around 15 to 16 hours, an operational radius of about 2,000 kilometers, and internal payload capacity that could reach 2,000 kilograms. Overall, the maiden flight of the CH-7 marks a major milestone in China's stealth unmanned aircraft development. Future test phases are expected to expand into higher speeds, higher altitudes, longer endurance, and more complex autonomous behavior, gradually turning the CH-7 into a key asset in China's evolving networked warfare doctrine.